Space appears silent, but the universe is never truly calm. Across billions of light years, forces exist that can erase entire planets in moments, leaving no trace that life was ever there. Among all known cosmic dangers, one event stands above the rest in destructive potential. It is not an asteroid, not a black hole collision, and not even a supernova. The most dangerous cosmic event ever discovered is something far more sudden, far more focused, and far more lethal. Gamma-ray bursts are the universe's most violent explosions. When they occur, they release more energy in seconds than our sun will emit during its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. These bursts are created when massive stars collapse or when extremely dense stellar corpses collide. In those final moments, matter is compressed beyond imagination, temperatures rise beyond comprehension, and twin jets of radiation are launched at nearly the speed of light. These jets carry pure energy, tightly focused, traveling vast distances without weakening significantly. If one of these beams were aimed directly at Earth, the effects would be catastrophic. Unlike an asteroid impact, there would be no warning visible to the naked eye. No approaching object growing larger in the sky, no dramatic countdown. Instead, the radiation would arrive suddenly, invisible but devastating. Within seconds, the upper layers of Earth's atmosphere would begin to break apart under intense energy bombardment. Gamma radiation interacts with atmospheric molecules in destructive ways. Nitrogen and oxygen would be split into reactive fragments, creating nitrogen oxides that destroy the ozone layer. The ozone layer acts as Earth's shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Without it, life on land becomes exposed to lethal levels of solar radiation. Plants would wither, ocean ecosystems would suffer. The delicate balance of global climate could shift rapidly, but the damage would not stop in the atmosphere. Gamma rays are capable of penetrating deep into living tissue, damaging DNA directly. Even organisms underground or underwater would not be completely protected. Radiation levels could increase enough to trigger mass extinction conditions. The fossil record shows that life on Earth has already experienced several extinction events, but a nearby gamma-ray burst could rival or exceed them in speed. Scientists believe that such an event may have already affected Earth hundreds of millions of years ago. Evidence suggests a sudden drop in biodiversity that cannot be fully explained by volcanic activity or asteroid impact. Some researchers propose that a gamma-ray burst originating within our galaxy could have temporarily stripped the ozone layer, exposing life to harsh ultraviolet radiation for years. Even a short exposure would be enough to destabilize ecosystems worldwide. What makes gamma-ray bursts especially terrifying is their unpredictability. Unlike comets or asteroids, which can often be tracked decades in advance, gamma-ray bursts occur suddenly. They are triggered by stellar collapse or compact object mergers that cannot always be anticipated. The universe does not provide early alerts for these events. By the time radiation is detected, it has already arrived. Fortunately, distance provides some protection. Most gamma-ray bursts occur extremely far from Earth, often billions of light years away. At those distances, the radiation spreads enough that it becomes harmless by the time it reaches us. For a burst to threaten Earth directly, it would need to occur relatively nearby in cosmic terms, within our own galaxy, and be aligned precisely toward our planet. Astronomers monitor candidate stars that could potentially produce such bursts. Massive stars nearing the end of their lifespans are carefully studied, particularly those rotating rapidly. Rotation is critical because it helps produce the focused energy jets required for a gamma-ray burst. Without rapid spin, the energy disperses rather than forming narrow beams. One star often discussed in scientific literature is WR104, a massive stellar system located thousands of light years away. Its structure suggests the possibility of a future gamma-ray burst. However, current observations indicate that its rotational axis is unlikely to point directly toward Earth. While the risk remains low, the example demonstrates how scientists assess cosmic threats using astrophysical modeling and observation. Understanding these extreme phenomena is not merely academic curiosity. Studying cosmic dangers improves our understanding of planetary habitability across the universe. It reveals that the existence of life depends not only on conditions within a solar system, but also on events occurring far beyond it. Galactic neighborhoods matter. Stellar evolution matters. Random cosmic alignment matters. Human civilization often perceives existential risks through the lens of earthly disasters, yet the universe operates on scales far beyond human experience. Events capable of sterilizing planets can unfold without sound, without warning, and without intention. They are natural consequences of physical laws governing matter and energy. Despite the terrifying potential of gamma-ray bursts, they also provide scientific opportunity. Observing these explosions helps researchers understand how elements heavier than iron are formed and distributed across galaxies. The same forces that threaten life also contribute to the cosmic processes that make planets and biology possible. In a sense, destructive energy is also creative energy. The story of the most dangerous cosmic event ever is ultimately a story about scale. It reminds us that Earth exists within a dynamic universe governed by powerful forces. While the probability of a nearby gamma-ray burst remains extremely low, the possibility itself illustrates how fragile planetary environments can be when exposed to concentrated cosmic energy. Our atmosphere, magnetic field, and distance from violent stellar regions together form a protective buffer that has allowed life to evolve over billions of years. Yet the universe does not guarantee stability forever. Stars are born, evolve, and die. Galaxies collide. Space is shaped continuously by extreme physics. Humanity's greatest defense is knowledge. By studying the universe, scientists reduce uncertainty and improve our understanding of cosmic hazards. Each observation refines probability estimates and clarifies the conditions required for catastrophic events. Awareness does not eliminate risk, but it transforms fear into measurable parameters. Far beyond our planet, somewhere in the darkness, massive stars continue their silent countdown toward collapse. Most will explode without consequence for Earth. Their radiation will travel outward, eventually fading into the background glow of the cosmos. But the existence of gamma-ray bursts demonstrates that the universe contains forces capable of changing the fate of life in an instant. The most dangerous cosmic event ever is not dangerous because it is likely. It is dangerous because it is possible. Imagine a distant star collapsing at the exact wrong angle, its final breath launching a narrow beam of radiation directly toward Earth. For thousands or even millions of years, the beam travels silently across space. Nothing blocks it, nothing slows it. By the time it reaches our planet, the event that created it is already ancient history. Yet the danger is immediate. The moment the radiation arrives, satellites would detect a sudden spike in high-energy photons. Instruments designed to observe distant galaxies would record the signature instantly, but the detection would not serve as a warning. The radiation travels at light speed. There is no time to prepare. Within seconds, the energy would begin interacting with Earth's upper atmosphere, triggering chemical reactions that disrupt the fragile balance protecting life below. The ozone layer would begin to thin rapidly as nitrogen oxides accumulate. Without ozone, ultraviolet radiation from the sun intensifies dramatically. UV radiation damages cellular structures, interferes with photosynthesis, and increases mutation rates. Crops exposed to continuous radiation stress would fail. Marine phytoplankton, responsible for producing a significant portion of Earth's oxygen, would suffer population collapse. Because these microscopic organisms form the foundation of the oceanic food chain, their loss would cascade through marine ecosystems. Climate systems could shift as atmospheric chemistry changes. Nitrogen dioxide absorbs visible light, potentially reducing sunlight reaching the surface and lowering global temperatures. A sudden cooling period could disrupt weather patterns and growing seasons. Even a moderate drop in temperature sustained over several years could destabilize agriculture worldwide. Unlike an impact event that causes immediate physical destruction, a gamma-ray burst creates a slower unfolding crisis. The initial radiation strike lasts seconds or minutes, but environmental consequences may persist for years. Increased radiation exposure raises cancer rates across species. Ecosystems struggle to adapt to rapid environmental change. Many species cannot evolve quickly enough to survive the sudden shift in conditions. Human technology would provide limited protection. Underground facilities, submarines, and heavily shielded structures could reduce radiation exposure temporarily. However, global infrastructure depends on stable agriculture, functioning ecosystems, and predictable climate conditions. Modern civilization is tightly interconnected. A disruption affecting multiple continents simultaneously would strain supply chains and economic systems beyond design limits. Electric grids and communication satellites could also be affected. High-energy radiation can induce electrical disturbances in sensitive equipment. Satellites exposed directly to intense gamma radiation may experience system failure or degraded performance. Navigation, communication, and weather monitoring systems could become unreliable during critical moments when coordination is most needed. Astronomers continue searching for nearby stellar systems capable of producing gamma-ray bursts. Most known candidates are oriented away from Earth, reducing risk significantly. Additionally, the Milky Way does not currently contain many rapidly rotating massive stars aligned in dangerous orientations. Statistical modeling suggests that a life-threatening gamma-ray burst directed at Earth is extremely unlikely within the foreseeable future. Yet the rarity of such events does not diminish their scientific importance. Gamma-ray bursts provide insight into extreme relativistic physics. The jets produced during these explosions involve matter accelerated to velocities approaching the speed of light. Magnetic fields within collapsing stars reach intensities far beyond anything reproducible in laboratories. Observing these conditions helps physicists test theories related to particle acceleration, nuclear reactions, and the behavior of matter under extreme pressure. The existence of these events also shapes our understanding of where complex life is most likely to develop in the universe. Regions with high star formation rates produce more massive stars, increasing the frequency of energetic explosions. Planets located near galactic centers may face higher exposure to dangerous radiation events. In contrast, quieter galactic regions may provide safer environments for long-term biological evolution. This perspective reframes the concept of habitability. Distance from a star is only one factor determining whether a planet can support life. Galactic environment also influences long-term stability. A planet positioned perfectly within a habitable zone may still face existential threats from distant cosmic processes. Gamma-ray bursts illustrate the interconnected nature of the universe. Events occurring thousands of light-years away can influence biological evolution on distant planets. The distribution of life across galaxies may be shaped partly by random alignment of stellar explosions. Some planets may experience repeated sterilization events, preventing complex organisms from emerging. Despite the dramatic potential of these cosmic explosions, Earth has remained stable for billions of years. Geological records show that while extinction events have occurred, life has repeatedly recovered and diversified. Evolution demonstrates resilience under changing conditions. Even severe environmental stress does not guarantee permanent sterilization. The study of cosmic threats encourages humility. Humanity often views itself as technologically advanced, yet our survival still depends on conditions beyond our control. Cosmic radiation, gravitational interactions, and stellar evolution operate independently of human activity. Understanding these processes helps place civilization within a broader cosmic framework. Scientific progress continues improving detection capabilities. Space telescopes monitor distant galaxies continuously, identifying gamma-ray bursts as they occur. Each observation contributes to statistical models estimating frequency and distribution. Over time, predictions become more precise, reducing uncertainty surrounding long-term risk. The most dangerous cosmic event ever identified remains unlikely to affect Earth directly. Yet its existence highlights the immense power contained within the laws of physics. Energy stored within stars can reshape entire regions of space in moments. Matter can transform into radiation capable of crossing galaxies without losing destructive potential. Human curiosity drives the study of these phenomena not because danger is imminent, but because understanding the universe improves preparedness and perspective. Knowledge transforms unknown threats into measurable probabilities. Even when risks are extremely small, quantifying them strengthens scientific understanding. Somewhere in the universe, another massive star is approaching the end of its life. Its core is becoming unstable, pressure increasing as nuclear fuel runs out. Eventually, collapse will occur. Energy will surge outward, forming jets of radiation extending across interstellar space. Most of these events will pass unnoticed by Earth, their signals detected only by distant instruments observing the cosmos. The universe contains events capable of extraordinary destruction, yet it also contains the conditions necessary for life to emerge, adapt, and persist. The same physical laws that produce gamma-ray bursts also produce stars, planets, and the chemical elements required for biology. The most dangerous cosmic event ever discovered reminds us that existence depends on a delicate balance between creation and destruction. Across vast stretches of space, forces beyond imagination continue shaping the structure of reality. Humanity's role is to observe, learn, and understand the environment in which it exists. Even in a universe capable of immense violence, awareness remains one of our greatest strengths.